Hi everyone. I hope you guys are having a nice day today so far. I'm Alice, and I will be the host hosting today together with Mindy.
It's just Mindy asked me what is the 2026 trend.
What is 2025 trends? So,
I think that
there's two things that really jump me out at this year. So, one is the sustainable beauty.
but not just clean formulas or recycled package. This year really about how products are made and the synthetic biology, lab grown collagen, phytofermented hyaluronic
Hyaluronic acid and biotech peptides cleaner, more consistent, and way easier on the planet. So basically, brands are moving from sustainability as label to sustainability right into the products. So the second one is exploration and it's shifting from the usual acids to enzyme, such as AHAs and BHAs. Yeah, will be everywhere from the year. But it's really harsh in the before one. So now there's gentler, skin friendly Options enzyme or middle acid like PHAs
or malic acid. Yeah, giving that reserving glow without irritation. That's my take for 2025. So now I'm curious, what do you think of the
big trends of the 2026. And one more thing I need to mention, you need to be louder and louder because
they cannot hear you well? Yeah.
this.
Yeah, hello everyone. This is Mindy, and right now I'm sharing with you the trend in 2026. Yeah, looking ahead to 2026, one trend we see really taking on is hyper personalized skincare and its potential. Diagnosis and even image scanning, or tailor it to an individual unique needs. In fact, this personalized skincare product keeps growing, and it's clear that while we are seeing more and more new product labeled as personalized, but it goes further. Now brands are offering customer formulations. Yeah, imagine serum and foundation tailored to your skin specific needs, even letting you adjust the ingredients. Wow, that isn't just skincare, it's co-creation, turning your routine into a truly interactive experience.
Wow, that's really such an interesting angle. I hope that I honestly didn't think of that way before. So I feel like just heard some new things and coming to my mind. But you know what? There's actually one more major trends that I haven't been seeing recently. So we haven't get a chance to dive into it yet. So for that, I think we should definitely need someone who can break it down with real data and deeper insights. So maybe we should bring our analytic Candice, yeah, to take us future into the story. So welcome, Candice. Welcome, Candice. And as well, we hope you guys are having all the voice. Well, if you have any question, just put it into the Q&A session, and we will be change and fix all the things. Well, yeah, faster and well.
Hi everyone, this is Candice, and the topic I would like to share with you today is global cosmetic ingredient trend in 2026. And together, we will explore a critical questions in our rapidly evolving industry. Where is the next super ingredients? And this report will focus on the most cutting-edge ingredients trends, analyzing the market drivers and technological applications behind them. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, let's have an overview of the global beauty market. As you can see from this chart, the global beauty and personal care market is demonstrating steady growth, projected to reach a value of nearly 600 billion US dollar in 2024. Regionally, while the Asia Pacific remains the largest market, it is North America that shows the most remarkable growth momentum, with a compound annual growth rate of 7.2% from 2019 to 2024. This rapid expansion, particularly through its fast-growing online channels, position North America as a vital lens for observing cutting-edge consumer trends and high-potential new products. To pinpoint the drivers of growth more accurately, we now turn our attention to online channels. And the data here shows that Amazon dominates the global beauty e-commerce market. Specifically, the Amazon US size holds the largest share, establishing itself as a global barometer for beauty trends. By closely analyzing the data from Amazon US, we can effectively identify emerging global beauty trends that possess high growth potential. If we examine the top-selling ingredients on Amazon US, we will find that classic silent spread ingredients like hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and niacinamide continue to firmly dominate the market. This reflects consumers' enduring demand for core benefits such as hydration, barrier repair, and basic anti-aging and brightening. And these classic ingredients form the market fundamentals, serving as the foundation for brands to meet consumers' core needs. However, when we shift our focus to the list of fastest growing ingredients, the future direction of the market becomes more clear. In stark contrast to the stabilities of the best sellers, this chart reveals where incremental growth lies. We can see two cutting-edge ingredients rooted in regenerative medicine, PDRN and essences, surging ahead with year-on-year sales growth of 3,679% and 1,670% respectively. This explosive growth is a powerful indicator of consumers' strong and growing confidence in the efficacy of next-generation biotech actives. It signals a conceptual shift in skincare, moving from passive repair to active regeneration. And this surge in sales is no coincidence. We validated this trend with forward-looking data from Google Trends. Over the past few years, global search interest for PDRN and essences have grown exponentially. And this indicates that market education has largely taken effect. Consumers are now transitioning from passive acceptance to proactively seeking out and recognizing these cutting-edge ingredients. And this shift in behavior is a leading indicator of demand acceleration and provides strong evidence that PDRN and essences are poised to become the next generation of super trend ingredients. Now, let's take a closer look at these two rising stars. Let's talk about PDRN first. PDRN is the core ingredient behind a popular salmon DNA injection, and products like Rejuvenate Healer Skin Booster, Mesoaesthetic XDNA are getting popular among beauty seekers. PDRN is primarily extracted from the reproductive cells of male salmon. It's a complex involved in DNA synthesis. The base composition of PDRN is up to 98% similar to human DNA, and this high similarity is the key. It allows PDRN to interact effectively with our cells, demonstrating significant benefits in tissue repair, wound healing, and reducing inflammation. Essentially, it boosts the skin's own self-repair and regeneration capabilities, helping to restore a smoother, more useful appearance. As the application of PDRN becomes more widespread, global regulations of PDRN medical beauty products are becoming more stringent. We can see that in the US, Europe, and Japan, PDRN products typically must undergo rigorous approval process to ensure their safety and efficacy. In China, PDRN-related products currently mainly rely on imports, and no products have been approved as Class 3 medical device. However, a key development to note is that in 2024, four Chinese companies completed the Master 5 filings for PDRN as a raw material, and this signals that the process for compliant application of PDRN in China is accelerating. And known for its powerful regenerative and healing capabilities, PDRN are grabbing attention by the capital and gradually applied in everyday skincare, hair care, and even makeup. Let's look at this trend. In China, the number of registered cosmetics containing PDRN skyrocketed from 303 in 2020 to over 7,000 in 2024. In other markets, brands like Amore Pacific, Baby Bride, and Medulas are incorporating it into creams, serums, and hair treatments. And this massive expansion shows that the market sees huge potential in harnessing PDRN's regenerative power for broader applications. So, why is PDRN so effective? Its core mechanisms of action lies in activating the adenosine A2A receptor, which in turn promotes tissue regeneration and wound healing through multiple pathways. First, it can decrease inflammatory factors while increasing anti-inflammatory factors. Second, it also has anti-apoptotic effects by inhibiting cell death pathway and protecting cells. Meanwhile, it can upregulate the expression of VEGF, delivering more oxygens and nutrients to tissue. Last but not least, it inhibits the expression of MMPs, thereby protecting the extracellular matrix, promoting tissue repair. These multi-pathway synergistic actions allow PDRN to achieve comprehensive and highly effective tissue regeneration and repair. But where does this PDRN come from? Initially, it was primarily extracted from salmon. However, animal-derived PDRN faces two main challenges in topical skincare application. First, its source does not align with vegan beauty chain. Second, its large molecular size and strong hydrophilicity result in low transdermal absorption efficiency. And to overcome these limitations, new types of PDRN has emerged. On the source, plant extraction technology has enabled the development of plant-derived PDRN, which align with the vegan concept. On structure and delivery, innovations like spherical PDRN and targeted delivery systems have been developed. These technologies enhance PDRN stability and skin penetration by alerting its structure or using nanocarriers, allowing for more precise and deeper actions within the skin. In summary, the sources of PDRN are becoming increasingly diverse. Besides animal-derived PDRN, we now have plant-derived PDRN extracted from sources like aloes and mobile using environmentally friendly methods. Even more exciting is synthetic PDRN. Chinese company Ruijiming Biotechnology has developed the first synthetic PDRN in the world. Using technologies like SK for sharing and CV plus TC technology for replication and screening, it allows for precise control over the structure and properties, potentially boosting its biological activity and stability. Here are some product examples showing different PDRN applications. Innisfree's launched Retinol's Green Tea PDRN Skin Booster Ampule use low molecular weight green tea PDRN alongside retinols for anti-wrinkle and firming effect. Dreamyas, a Chinese skincare brand, developed spherical PDRN via its exclusive microsphere technology. Compared to normal PDRN, spherical PDRN has better transdermal and absorbency properties and higher stability, thus perform better in skin repairing. And recently, L'Oreal also launched Revital Leaf Filler Pumping Serum, which claims to be the brand's first serum to incorporate a patented clinical-grade PDRN. And their star ingredients, Prosilene Pro, is also added, together with super molecular niacinamides to address wrinkle, dullness, and sagging problems. To summarize, with its natural origins and scientifically proven healing efficacy, PDIN is rapidly becoming a new favorite for meeting consumers' evolving demand for skin health and beauty. Looking ahead, as research continues to deepen, the application prospects for PDIN in the cosmetic and personal care field will be even broader, promising to bring consumers a safer and more efficient skincare experience. Okay, having discussed PDRN, let's now turn our attention to another even more forward-looking area, stem cells and exosomes. As we see here, the global stem cell beauty product market is booming, projected to reach nearly 2.8 billion by 2030, with a solid compound annual growth rate of almost 10%. And this isn't just hype. It reflects a real shift in consumer demand and scientific advancements. People are looking for solutions that go beyond surface level treatment. As you see here, the focus is clear: skin repair, fighting aging, and even promoting hair regeneration. It is a multi-billion-dollar industry betting on the power of stem cells to deliver visible results. However, the use of stem cells in cosmetics faces strict regulations worldwide. China prohibits the use of stem cells as a cosmetic ingredient and also forbids human-derived cells and tissues. Marketed products typically contain extras or cultural media from plant stem cells. The United States classifies stem cell therapies as a drug. Related beauty products must comply with FDA safety and labeling requirements. Japan and South Korea permit the use of human stem cells conditional media or exosomes as cosmetic ingredients under strict conditions and restrictions. It's worth noting that the approval of China's first stem cell therapy drug in 2025 may possibly influence future exploration and application of stem cell technology in the cosmetic field. So, where does this stem cell come from? They can be derived from various sources, plants and animals. Let's compare plant and animal stem cells. What do they have in common? They both are undifferentiated cells, meaning they haven't specialized yet. They both divide constantly to produce new cells, maintaining growth. Crucially, they both have self-renewal capabilities and possess regenerative and repair power. But there are key differences. Plant stem cells are typically found in meristems, the growing points of plants, while animal stem cells exist in most tissues. Plant stem cells drive continuous growth, like making a tree taller or wider. Animal stem cells are more about tissue repair and regeneration after injury. Plant stem cells can differentiate into any cell types needed by the plant, like roots, stems, and leaves. However, the differentiations of animal stem cell is more restricted. Adult stem cells typically differentiate into cells of tissue where they are located. Compared to animal stem cells, using plant stem cells offers advantages like biodiversity, consumer safety, and being environmentally friendly and easy access. Leading ingredient suppliers are using innovative bioengineering to efficiently obtain active ingredients from plant stem cells. Whitechurch Biotech developed a plant cell biofactory technology to extract active from plants like wild olive for scalp care. Enron Corporation used bioengineering and nanotechnology to extract active ingredients from rare plants like wild ginseng, improving their stability and transdermal absorption. And these technologies are the core drivers commercializing the plant stem cells concept. As research on stem cells deepens, Another exciting area has emerged: exosomes. And these tiny vesicles secreted by stem cells are becoming a major research hotspot. They were first discovered way back in 1983, but their importance really hit the spotlight when scientists won the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2013 for their work on intercellular vesicle transport. That recognition gave scientific research a massive boost. So, what are these little guys? Exosomes are microscopic packages released by cells, including stem cells, from both animals and plants. Inside them, they carry valuable cargo: DNA, small RNAs, proteins, and other molecules. They act as messengers, facilitating communication between cells, influencing metabolism, and possessing impressive abilities like regeneration, cell proliferation, and wound healing. Because they inherit some of the potent properties of stem cells, exosomes can offer similar effects to stem cells, but often with fewer complexities and risks. Compared to stem cells, exosomes have significant advantages in safety, efficiency, and diversity of mechanisms of action. So, how are these exosomes technologies actually being used in products? Companies like Bio in South Korea are leading the charge. They've developed patent tech like SCRT to isolate and purify high-quality exosomes efficiently and apply them to different products to deliver repair, whitening, and anti-hair loss effects. For example, the product ASCE plus HRLV specifically targets scalp issues by adding raw stem cells exosomes and 10 hair growth factors. It can help to improve the hair loss problem. And for post-treatment care, Exobalm incorporates rose-derived exosomes, which can repair skin barrier and recover sooner and better after aesthetic treatment. And innovations doesn't stop here. Plant exosome extraction technology is also innovating. Inco's Farm, a Korean ingredient supplier, has developed EPOTF technology, which highly boosting efficiency, purity, stability, and ultimately the efficacy of exosomes in skincare products. American company Active Concepts also developed an innovative ingredient, AC-Exocom, by encapsulating glyceryl acid using plant exosomes, enhancing its anti-inflammatory efficacy. It also upcycled licorice waste into usable components, achieving circular resource utilization and aligning with sustainability goals. And here are more examples that have leveraged the specific properties of stem cells and exosomes for targeted benefits. Origin newly launched a product line featuring apple stem cell extras, which is shown to boost skin cell renewal and combat early signs of aging. X1, a Japanese brand, utilized 3 times of human stem cell culture media to improve skin barrier and anti-aging. And human-derived stem cells and exosomes are added in Dr. Sloan's Bubble Pill Booster, which makes the product perform well in promoting hair growth and improving scalp health. In summary, stem cells and exosomes are bringing revolutionary new ideas to beauty industry with their powerful regenerative potential. However, their application still faces challenges. The market suffers from confusion and exaggerated claims about stem cells, plant stem cells, and exosomes, which affects consumers' trust. And relevant policies are still developing, making it difficult to effectively guarantee product qualities and safety. And also, high R&D costs and technical thresholds limit their widespread application. In markets like China, the research foundation is still relatively weak and requires long-term accumulation. In the future, how brands and enterprises can deeply explore the mechanisms of action and application effects of stem cells and exosomes as well as how governments can improve relevant policies and regulations to strengthen market supervision, will be one of the core keys to the development of stem cells in the beauty industry. Okay, that wraps up our look at these cutting edge ingredients. Thank you for listening.
So, whoa, that's a super interesting sharing, and thank you. And thanks, Candice, for all the sharing and all the information. And just now, I saw one of our, um, let me see who is the one.
In the
Uh,
comment section.
so Pongsa Koron, yeah. You want the slide, right? So I think you should definitely join our last activity. So we will have all the information of this PPT. So and as well, our sales manager will contact you and reach out to you after the webinar. So I think it's definitely a good choice for you to wait till our activity. So is that answer your question? So now we are seeing that the regenerative beauty is really taking center stage right now. So everyone is talking about anti-aging, yeah, boosting collagen and keeping skin healthy. So, and with ingredients like PDRN and stem cell, you can really see how the science is driving these trends. Definitely some exciting stuff to keep an eye on what we're thinking about and what's next.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. I can totally relate. I have tried on this anti-aging bandwagon too. It's fascinating to see this demand becoming a norm for younger generation, and the product landscape is rapidly expanding to make it. So we already have the really awesome glimpse in 2026. I bet some of you will curious, how do I actually use it? Well, if you are curious about what's driving this train or what's coming next, well, it's the magic from Beautydata. Well, let's welcome Bliss to show us how it works.
So we welcome Bliss.
Welcome, Bliss. Welcome, Bliss.
Hello everyone, I'm Bliss. I'm so glad to see all of you guys here in our Beautydata.ai in this webinar and welcome you again. So first of all, let us thank Alice, Mindy, and our analyst Candice for sharing such great data insight in on 2026 market trends.
Yay.
So yeah, thanks all of them. And, I'm sure we all can better plan and look ahead to our 2026 business development. So now for me, I will give a demonstration about our system platform to all of you guys. Okay. So this is our workbench here, and I will introduce our system platform. So just our analyst Candice mentioned skin longevity. It's very popular and in our consumers market. Also, at the same time, we found PDRN and also other high growth potential and trending ingredient is hot and searched by more and more people. And this signal is very important for our ingredients supplier and our brands to win more business. So it also tell us and if we using this kind of claim as early as you can, and especially you can get it easily in our system platform, like we take action to claim our ingredient or claim our beauty products, and we follow, we copy, or we make better claim, and definitely we will need the market, right? Okay, so let us see together in our ideas page and for you what our system platform and to monitor and how this PDRN and is discovered till now. Okay, so we can put a keyword here, PDRN. Okay. Wait, we can put a keyword here. Wait, okay. So we click here and okay, so we we go to see this, and from this the claim development line, and we can see from this chart, and in 2020, and it just first launched, but from 2021 and from 2022 and then to 2024, and this PDRN and the products and also the brands associated with this PDRN ingredient are growing into 2025. Yeah, right. So also, I would like to share with you about our innovation map. So let us see together here. From our innovation map here, we can see, and there are many we can get the global data overview from many different countries like US, Japan, South Korea, France, and also Italy, and also Indonesia, Thailand, German, and many different countries. So also on here we can see there are many the different number. So what this number means, it means how many brands launched how many new products in the different countries, and also this is about their claim quantities. So here, about this global data overview, we also can click focus on any of our target countries. Our country, we can if we focus on France, we can click France. So this country will be light. Okay. So here, and we can see we will get a global market trend. Okay. Also, okay. Okay, so here we also can put a keyword here, get the relate data overview, for example. And if we want to search PDRN, let's see what will happen. PDRN, okay. So we can see this ingredient, and in the category analysis, and we can analyze this category in the different subcategories and what are the rates. And also we can see PDRN in the skincare, and this category is over 90%. So it's a big race. Okay. Also, I would like to share with all of you guys here, and here we can see there are many dimensions to help us to analyze and our ingredient trends and our market trends and our brands. And so here, and we can take the skincare as an example. I would like to share with you, and because we all know skincare is very big category, and so here we can go deep dive to 5 layers, and to help us to focus on the specific subcategory and each subcategory, and we can see there are many different subcategories to help us analyze the category distribution, and also we can analyze the new products and the new product quantity and the new product the trending category. So we can see there are 5 layers, and there are many the different the percentage are also always change, and also we can see there are face oil, essence, and also serum and different serum. Okay, so this is about the category and the different subcategories. Okay, so here, and also we can to check the claim analysis, and here we list the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there are also a line dimension about the claim to help us track what claim and our clients and are using, and this claim on their products, and help us get our consumers job to be done. So here we can see there are 3 layers to help us to track in the different ingredients, different claims, and the new products quantity, and also are different. So every layer we also you can see there are many different. Every layer we can track, get the product trend. If we focus on ingredient, we can see there are the number is totally different, right? Totally different quantity in the every demand. If we are interested in the ingredient display, okay, we click here, and then we will get the different ingredient. So in the second layer, we can see the second layer ingredient claim, and there are many different ingredients. Okay, we can see there are so many ingredient claim for us to check the this claimed ingredient. Okay, we can see also the quantity are the different. Okay, so so if we are focused on the anti-aging, this ingredient, and in the third layer, and we also can track. Okay, we can track in the third layer. We can see there are many different the anti-aging under the anti-aging this ingredient, and there are many different the. Okay, so okay. So here, and we can track the new product quantity and associate with this the specific ingredient claim, and we can see there are okay, there are over 2,378 the new quantity associated with this ingredient. Okay, we also can track the new products. Okay, okay, okay. So we can see here. We can see there are many, we can see this is the number, the new products quantity, the number associated with this the specific ingredient claim. And okay, we can see there are many the new product quantity, and this these new products are claiming this ingredient. Okay. Okay, so here we also can know, and nowadays we all know nowadays our consumers are very smart, and when we are buying any new products or any products, we will go to see the ingredient, especially active. We can see here, especially active substance. Okay, so see here, and we list the top 10 active ingredients to help us identify what's the trending ingredient in the new products. And these the trending ingredients will be used most frequently and to communicate it with our consumers. So it means and our products or our ingredients also could be refined. Okay, so that's I want to share with you, and we can see the new product quantity are different. Okay, so here, okay, so let us see together from our database this part. Okay, we can see here, and there are many upcoming products. And this product launched in 2026, not only in 2025. So we can see there are many launch date, 2026 April and 2026 March, and also there are many 2026 upcoming products. Okay. Okay, so we can see here from the database the future products. So we can look at this products, the launch date. Wait, we also can check. Okay, so here we can see this the future products and the launch date in the 2026 January. And you can see this launch the new products and from our system platform. It means I guess now it's about 3 to 6 months ahead of the market. But in 2025, and in our database already have the 2026 new product data. For you means ahead of 3 to 6 months, and you get this new product data. Okay, so we can check this new product. Okay, we can see. Okay, we can see there are this brand will launch this product in 2026 January, and this is the source, and we can confirm. And also there are the selling points, efficacy, marketing, and also same we can get the our analysts in science. Okay. Okay, let us check another project. Wait. Wait. Okay, I want to share with you another product about the. Okay, I would like to share with you about this brand. We can see this brand also, and we can analyze this brand what are doing for their selling points and concept, efficacy, ingredient, and technology. So they use these the selling points to start conversation with their consumers. And also here we can get the ingredient and formulation list. Okay, so there are many the ingredients listed here to help us analyze this brand, analyze these ingredients. Okay. Okay. So here is this about this brand, and also this is also about the our professional analysts in science. They will give the about this product the background and how why this new product will be launched. Okay. Wait. Okay. So here we and but we can see there are many tabs: category, launch country, brand type, and concept, and also efficacy. Okay, category and consumer. 什么东西挡住了 Okay, January. Okay, brand origin, and there are many tabs. For us, we can get our target, and also we can see for example, in we can choose 2 to 4. Okay, we can choose 2 to 4 the products to make a comparison and to use. And wait, let me check. So let us clear. Okay, we choose here. For example, we choose 2 products. We can choose 2 or 4 products to make a comparison and then to get our differentiation. And yeah, we can start a better conversation with our brands or with our consumers. And also we can export data to here and to use in our presentation or make proposal and to our brands. Okay, so here let us show you. And when we compare, there are also we can compare the selling points, consumer profile, efficacy, ingredient, and concept. Okay, ingredient, and also the analyst insight, marketing, and also this is about the product power analysis and compare the analysis insight. Okay, so that's the day. I want to share with you and some about our platform. All right, but last but not least, our partners. And if you have more interest in our today's trends, so leave your comments in our Zoom or message us and provide your contact information. Let us schedule a one-on-one communication session to share and chat with more with you, and then we can go deeper and to explore more together. Okay, so Alex, next up we still have the prize activity, right?
Yeah, definitely. So I think the next session will be turned around to our prize activity. So you guys will get a chance to win the 4 prize that we indicate. So maybe
Okay, it's your part. Okay, so good luck to all of you guys. Okay.
so really big thanks to Bliss for that amazing sharing and showing how Beautydata brings these trends and to life and super insightful. So and now it's time for our lucky draw. I know everyone is hoping to join this super and it's super easy. We have 4 prize. Let me share the screen right now to show you guys which prize we have. Okay, so the first one will be the 10% off Christmas promo. Yeah, and then the second one will be the latest 2026 Global Beauty Trend Report, which is the one that our
Wow.
analyst just shared today. So, and then the third one is PDR Mini Market Report, and then the last one is 2-week GMPI trial access. And this full price has been now replaced with letter A, B, C, and D. So
Yeah.
you can choose either A, B, C, D and type into our Q&A section. So enter the number into Q&A session to have a chance to get any of each price. So we really encourage all of you to join. Everyone will have 100% to win a prize. It's about 5 minutes. So we will be reveal which prize will behind each letter. So which each letter stand for. So you will find a prize. Yeah, you have won. So while we're waiting for you guys to type the A, B, C, D, either one into the chat box. And while we're waiting, let's take a moment to chat about what the beauty data insight.
Yeah.
Let's just share means for ingredient suppliers and brands. So on how these trend signals can help them make smarter decisions, spot new opportunities, and drive innovation. So, Minty, how
Hi.
do you know, how do you think this kind of data will really support ingredient suppliers in what they do?
Yeah, great question. At the core, it gives them a real competitive edge. From the ingredient supplier side, they can really use this trend insight to fine-tune what they offer, almost like updating their menu based on what's hot. Yeah, by matching their ingredient to where the market heading, they can catch the wave early and connect with brand looking for exactly that. Plus, the data not only show which ingredients are trading, but also reveals who using them and where the market gaps might be. Oh, speaking of brands, Alex, how should they play into this?
Yeah, oh, totally. I'm with you on that. The insight for beauty data really give ingredient suppliers assistance. Yeah, to seeing which ingredients are trending and where opportunity lies. And I have seen one question. So from Sandrine, right? Which website generate your data? What are the criteria? This one will be answered in our last Q&A section. So I think our college first will answer this question for you, and also our college Jacob. And could you please send us some price of your service for color, right?
Mm-hmm.
This will our sales manager will contact you with this information. So yeah, and then we are encouraged while we're talking about that, all of you guys on the other side of the screen. So don't forget to get involved in
Yeah.
our lucky draw. So just enter which random number, either A, B, C, D, to win the prize. It's not, just to mention, this one is not A. The 10% off is not A. The latest one is not B. It's randomly behind the four prizes behind numbers.
Yeah.
So you just enter A, B, C, D, and we will reveal it which one you get. So I already see 3%. Yeah.
Just like the blind box games.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
blind
don't comment
box.
in the comment section to get this.
So I see 4%. So I'm continuing with my talk. I'm waiting for you guys to finish your entering the letters. Yeah. So random letters, random price. So just go ahead. So it's now looking at the brand with beauty data, you can actually see which ingredients, claims, and formulas combos are really catching on with consumers. So it's great for supporting market gaps, figuring out what people really like, and avoid that blind R&D trap. So basically, you get a way to design products based on real trend data. So, and which keeps consumers interesting and give your brands that random tech-saving edge. Yeah, so it's like having a sneak peek into what the market really actually wants before you get started developing your products or your business. So, all right. Let me
Does
see.
everybody already comment?
Let me see.
in the comment
1,
section?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yep.
We have seven. We have 7 people who join our activity, and now. So, is anyone? If you guys want to have our prize, the prize is here already.
Yeah.
If you want to have our prize, enter each number, enter any number. So now I think we will be the time to show our price. So can you guys see? So for the first prize, prize A, the prize A will be the prize A will be the 2026 Global Beauty
Wow.
Trends Report, which is the one that our analyst just shared just now. So let's see who are the people who choose one, oh, which is
A, yeah. Waticon is the right pronunciation. Waticon, yeah. And also Chris Namport is the right pronunciation, honey. Yeah, congratulations. You're already getting the head start of our new year. And also, oh, Narapova. Yeah, Narapova. Also common A.
So congratulations for all three of you guys are having the 2026 Global Beauty Trends report. So our sales manager will contact you to send you this
Yeah.
information. So let's see
Yay.
which one the price be. Let's see who choose price B first.
Sandrine.
The Sandrine choose price B.
And
I
also
think the Sandrine will be the only one.
only one to get the B price.
Yeah.
Price B.
The price B. So let's see
what is
the price B. This price B is a 2-week GNPI trial.
Wow.
So the trial
It's a good way for you to explore new market trend.
So the one plus our colleague just shared just now with
Yeah.
Beautydata is all GMPI. Now also we have more information, more function, but our webinar is cannot get too longer, and then you will get full access to our GMPI. Then yeah, it will be I hope it will be useful for you. So for Sandra, our sales manager will contact you with future information and give you the access.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. So for price
Price
C,
C,
right?
Yeah.
Price C.
It will
I think
be.
there's a lot of people get price C.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw a lot of C comment in the area.
So is
This-
plaintiff ponem. Yeah. And also Clarice. Oh yeah, it's my customer.
So it's your customer.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So it's 10% off Christmas promo. So this is very special.
Only
So
2%?
Yeah.
Oh.
So actually we are coming to Christmas, right? So we get this special promo for you guys. Yeah.
Yeah,
I see that. It's very lucky for the guys you choose price C. So
yeah, it's perfect timing for you to plan the new year.
Yeah, definitely. So actually we are our sales manager will contact you with this information.
Yep.
And if you want to get our system and get our things, it's a good time. Yeah. So
And
I think
the price D will be
the PDRM mini market report.
Yeah. Wow, it's perfect timing for to use this to bursting. Oh, yeah, fascinating. The PDRN is really buzzing in the market right now. So if you want to see how it's leveraged this trend, this report is a great place to start.
So actually, this PDRN is our new product. So and some of you guys that from new to us. Oh no, it's before our old customers. I'm not really know this mini market what it is, and our sales manager will contact you and get your all the samples of mini market reports and let you know better of this. Yeah, and then the price D winners is
Ponsacon, right?
Yeah, it's Ponsacon.
It's only one?
Yeah, I
Common
think.
D?
Yeah, common D is only one. So lucky guy. So that's all we get for our price part, for our activity parts. So actually now, we have record all this information and we have record all these choices, and our team will reach out to you after the webinar as soon as possible as we can. So don't get rushed.
Yeah, our sales team will reaching out to all winners to coordinate your price. We hope you love them.
Yeah, we hope you guys.
Yeah, and now let's welcome Jacob and please lead us into the final Q&A section. Please get your questions ready.
So welcome this back, and also Jacob. I think Jacob is already on the side right now. Welcome Jacob, and please, Jacob, I saw Jacob now.
Wow.
So welcome, please. So please, can you come here? So we have some question already. We have some question already here.
Yes.
This one. I saw Sandrine ask this question for which website. This one. So can you guys answer this question? Yeah. First of all.
Yeah. Sure. So, okay, everyone, I come back again. So here is please and yeah, join me, Jacob on the screen. So welcome. Jacob, can
Well,
you
thank you
introduce?
for the interesting webinar.
Hello everyone,
Yes,
can you
let's
hear?
see what kind of question do we have, please?
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
So now let us answer your question. Let us start and let us see. I saw first question. Let me check. And okay, wait. Let me check. Okay, wait.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. I saw a question from Sandrine. Thank you for your question. And Sandrine asked, from which website we generate and our data, and what are the criteria? So Jacob, can you explain some about our data to Sandrine and all of guys in this webinar? Yeah.
Yes, of course. I think Sandrine maybe want to know what kind of data source can we get the data. Are they reliable or something? Actually, all the data from our system come from many kind of data source. The major source will be like we can divide them in 4 different data source. The first is for example, the brand official website, and second will be the e-commerce platform, and third will be like some social media platform, and the fourth will be like some press, newsletter, some beauty website. So with all these major 4 data source, we gathering all the new product every day around the world. Yeah.
Yeah.
And to make sure all the data is reliable, we will also provide the original link to help every user can verify if this product data is reliable or true or not. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Exactly. So Sandrine, you got this answer. Yeah, I think you must get this answer, and all of you guys. And yeah, our IT colleagues and we will pre-collect and official public verified data, and then we use the AI and our analyst team to process this data and with the flow. Okay, so next question. Let us check. And what's the next question? So next question from Eric. And Eric asked, how many data do we have and how often do we update? So Jacob, can you share about this question?
Yes. Actually, we have like built this database from 2019, and we gathering all the information from globally with IT technology, and we had more than 40,000 like new products have been recorded in our system. And the second question is, how often do we update them? Actually, the data will be updated every working day after the RPA robot or IT technology to gathering information from different data source, and then AI do the data cleansing, and then the next part will be our data team will do the data verification by human, by our analyst team, and then output the inside report. So every working day, every day we will have at least 100 new launch product will be released in our system.
Yeah. Okay, got it. So weekly update keep us ahead of the market. Okay, so let us see another question from who? Okay, let us see. So the third question is, okay, Michelle, ask, where is my business opportunities for my ingredients? Wow, it's a really good question. So Jacob, can you give some ideas about your thoughts for this question? Yeah.
Yeah, actually, this is a interesting question, but also is a big question. First of all, I would like to know what kind of ingredient is your ingredient. This is my question as well. But as you may see the demonstration by our colleague Bliss before, she used the ingredient, a hot ingredient PDRN as a samples, as a case to search for new opportunity. That we use the data to help the ingredient supplier to do two things. The first is to know what is the innovation on new trend from the market for now. We use this new technology to get the innovation for ingredient trend, technology trend, new concept, new packaging technology. This is the first thing to make sure that we have the timely trends before we go to customer to do to bring some solution. The second thing is we can search a particular specific ingredient name, and then we came up some timely new innovative products as product case to help suppliers, ingredient supplier, to better pitch their customer, to have more chance to win a project, to win customer. I think this is the value that we bring for the ingredient company.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Jacob. Answer, and yeah, perfect. So I trust this, Michelle. Yeah. You must get more business from our today's webinar, and you get more market trends, and yeah, you will get more business. Okay. So let us see next question from who? Next question. Let me check. Okay. Okay, next question. Oh, okay, next question from okay, Alex. Alex asks, can you share upcoming skincare that use PDRN? Wow, it's really still a good question. You are really smart to ask this question. So, Jacob, can you tell something and to them? Yeah, for this question.
Yeah, I think it's a similar question as last one.
Yeah.
But he came with a specific ingredient name PDRN. I think that Bliss had shown some data before. If you want more specific product case that use PDRN, maybe our colleagues can contact you later to have a one-on-one demonstration to show you what is the upcoming skincare product that use PDRN. That will be more practical. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
So our colleague contact Alex.
Okay. Yeah. Right. So, okay. So actually, we do have many data waiting for all of you guys to explore more together with us in the one-on-one communication session. Okay. So, but most importantly, I guess this the asker your sales will jump next year. Yeah. So let us see next question from
Okay, Mika.
Venus. Okay. Venus asks,
Venus.
in 2025, how can we get 2026 upcoming products? Okay. For this question, yeah, Jacob, can you please kindly help share some for this question?
Yes, of course. Yeah, in general way, people might think this is difficult, or maybe let's say in the past, it's very difficult to have some upcoming information or upcoming product, right? But now with the help of AI and IT technology, now we can have different kinds of data from globally. For example, like we have noted that a lot of brands, they will have some news to be before their product go to the market. Before launch, they will have some news on social media or maybe on their official website or on some press. So those different ways we have monitored a lot of this kind of website. We using RPA robot and IT technology to get those information. So in that way, we have gathering a lot of new product that will be launched in 2026. That's a very interesting thing. And it's also a surprise to many customers. They can see some new trend, new innovation in advance.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Jack, for the answer. And okay, yeah. Okay. We still get another question from. Okay. We can see. Is there any other question? Oh, we still get another question from Ross. Drew. Okay, Drew. Okay, Drew asked, what's the value for us, for all of us in this webinar? Well, it's really still, yeah. What do you think of this question? And yeah, can you share some insights for this friend graph? Okay, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. First of all, if we can understand what kind of business of your company, that will be better for me to answer your question. As I just mentioned before, for ingredient supplier, we provide them innovation trend for new technology, new concept, new ingredient or packaging technology, and also help ingredient supplier to better to pitch the customer to win more customer. And another kind of customer will be like the brand customer.
Yeah.
They also our major customer. They will use our data to have like innovation inspiration for the product development. And for the R&D, they have to came up with some innovative product and for the market. So they will use our global new product to have some inspiration for their innovation. And also, they also need to find out what kind of consumer need in the market. They can get this kind of information from some scenario, some keyword, then to understand better of the consumer need by have some insight on new launch product, the we call product power. We have a lot of information about products break down their value and the product power by our analyst team to give more information about that to help the brand for product development or for product upgrade.
Okay, great. Thank you, Jack. Thank you for sharing so many insights and your thoughts for all of us in this webinar and for your answers. Thanks very much. And okay, so everyone in this webinar, do you have any question? And because and today our webinar are gonna to end. So any question?
So I saw there's a lot of people still online right now.
So I saw there are more and more people enjoying this webinar. So any other question? Okay.
So is there any question left behind if there's no more? So we're gonna end today's webinar.
Okay. Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah, we covered so many questions. So thank you everyone for joining us today and being so active to ask questions. Thank you for all of your
everybody.
thank you for
Thank
your
you.
great question.
Thank
Hope our answer help you. And yeah, see you next webinar. Okay.
So see you our
See
next
you.
webinar and hope this webinar get
Bye.
like
Yeah. See you next
get
webinar.
information.
Thank you.
So bye bye.
Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Next time.
Bye.